Where?
Well, I'll say
Okay, show me. Take me to the elevator. I'm following you. Wait, slow down. Okay, I'm following you. Let's go to the elevator. Where is it? Right there? Okay. Uh-oh. You want to ride the elevator? Okay, gotta go in. Hurry up, go in. Okay, what floor do you want to go to?
1.
We're on 1. How about 4?
4.
Yeah, how about 4? Okay. You ready? Oh, we're going up. Oh, we're going to the 2nd floor. Somebody's gonna get on. No? No one got on? No? Okay. Gonna go to the 4th floor?
Down.
Huh?
Go down.
We're gonna go up.
Tall. Mom.
What?
Tall.
Yeah, you are tall. Okay, now what floor do you want to go to? We're on the 4th.
2.
You want to go down?
Yeah.
Okay, press the button.
Hey, Mom.
Here, help me. Press the button. 1. How about 1? Oh, that's 3. Oh, hold on. There we go. Whee! Oh, who's coming? Is anybody there?
I said, oh, look.
Oh, elevator goes up. Another elevator. Okay, the doors are going to close.
Walk down.
Okay, hold on. Where does it go? Whee!